your skin has been carrying a lot today. The pollution, the stress, the makeup you've been wearing since 7 this morning, maybe a breakout that appeared overnight and made you stand too long in front of the mirror. I see you. This video is for you, and by the time we're done, your skin is going to feel completely different. So take a slow breath, and let's begin. You know what's strange? I used to spend a lot of money trying to fix my skin. New cleanser every month, spot treatments that stung, sheet masks from every brand you could imagine, and nothing worked. Not really. My pores looked larger than ever. My T-zone was oilier by noon. And those deep, stubborn blackheads on my nose? They were always there, no matter how aggressively I scrubbed. I was doing a lot, but I was doing almost all of it wrong. The moment everything changed was when I stopped chasing quick fixes and started actually understanding what my skin needed. This routine, the one I'm about to show you, took me 2 years to refine. And I do it every evening right here. Tonight, I'm going to share all of it with you. Before we start, I want you to understand something important. Because once you know this, everything about skincare will make sense. Your skin produces a natural oil called sebum. It's not the enemy. It's actually there to protect you. To keep your skin barrier strong and your face from drying out. The problem is, when that oil mixes with dead skin cells, makeup residue, sunscreen, pollution, and sweat from the day, it finds its way into your pores, and it sits there, oxidizes, hardens, becomes a blackhead, or gets inflamed by bacteria and becomes a breakout. Here's what most people don't know. Water-based cleansers alone cannot dissolve that oil. Think about it. Oil and water do not mix. That's why we're going to use something that speaks the skin's own language. Oil to dissolve it first, and that's where this whole routine begins. So let's do this together. I've got my products laid out. The water is warm. Every step from here is intentional, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm using, why I'm using it, and how to adjust it for your skin type. Ready? Let's begin. Step-by-step routine oil cleansing. I'm starting with my oil cleanser, about 2 pumps into dry hands. Notice the texture, it's almost like silk. Rich, smooth. Now, onto a completely dry face. No water yet, that's important. I'm going to press it in gently and begin massaging. Circular motions on the forehead. Press and lift along the nose. Slow gliding strokes on the cheeks. You can feel it dissolving everything. The sunscreen, the foundation, the pollution from the day. If you wear heavy SPF or full coverage makeup, spend at least 60 seconds here. Don't rush this. Now I'm adding a small amount of warm water to my hands. Just a little, to emulsify the oil. Feel how it turns milky white? That's the oil lifting everything off the skin and suspending it so it rinses away cleanly. Rinse. Pat dry with a clean towel. Foam, slack gel cleanse. This is step 2 of the double cleanse, and this is where most people stop after step 1. Don't. I'm using a gentle, low pH foaming cleanser now, where the oil cleanser broke down surface impurities. This one goes a layer deeper, removing any residue left behind, balancing the skin's pH, and gently cleansing inside the pores. Apply it to damp skin now, and use the same slow massage. No pressure, no aggression. Your skin is not a dirty pan. 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Cool water helps close the pores gently. That tightening feeling? That's a good sign. Alcohol-free toner. I'm soaking a cotton pad with my alcohol-free toner now, and pressing it gently across my face. Toner is not just water. A good toner restores the skin's pH after cleansing, preps the surface to absorb everything that follows, and adds a first layer of hydration. If you're oily, look for one with niacinamide or centella. If you're dry or sensitive, hyaluronic acid toner is your best friend. Tap. Don't rub it in with your fingertips. This motion also stimulates microcirculation. Let it absorb for 20 seconds before the next step, exfoliation. AHA/BHA now. And this is a step for 2 to 3 times per week only, not daily. I'm applying my chemical exfoliant. I use a BHA salicylic acid because it's oil soluble, which means it can actually travel inside the pore and dissolve the buildup that causes blackheads and breakouts. If you're dry or sensitive, an AHA like lactic acid is gentler and focuses more on surface cell renewal. Apply a thin layer, Let it sit. Don't rinse, give it 2 to 3 minutes. You might feel a very faint tingling. That's it working. On exfoliation nights, always follow up with extra moisturizer. And if it's morning, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Exfoliants make your skin more sensitive to UV damage. Optional steam. On deeper cleansing nights, maybe once a week, I add steaming here. This isn't just luxurious, it genuinely softens the hardened sebum and debris inside pores, making everything that follows more effective. 3 to 5 minutes is enough, not longer. Too much steam can actually strip the barrier, so keep it gentle, keep it brief. And always apply something hydrating immediately after. Clay, hydrating mask time. If your skin is oily or acne prone, kaolin or bentonite clay. It draws out excess oil and impurities like a magnet. If you're dry or dehydrated, a sheet mask or hyaluronic gel mask will flood the skin with moisture. Combination skin, you can zone mask. Clay on the T-zone, hydrating gel on the cheeks. Apply an even layer. Let it sit for the recommended time, usually 10 to 15 minutes. When it's time to remove, warm, damp cloth. Gentle circular motions. Watch how much it pulls away. Serum plus spot treatment. Now we tree. This is where the targeted actives go. Niacinamide to control oil and fade marks. Vitamin C to brighten in the morning, or retinol at night to support cell turnover over time. Press, not rub, into the skin using your palms. The warmth from your hands helps absorption. For any active breakout, I'm applying a very small amount of benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid spot treatment directly over it using a clean cotton swab. One thin layer. That's all it needs. More is never better with actives. Sunscreen. Daytime only, if it's morning. This is the last step and the most important one of all. SPF 50. Every single day. Not just when it's sunny, not just in summer. UV radiation passes through clouds, through windows, through the back seat of your car. It is the single most proven skincare product for preventing premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and long-term skin damage. 2 finger lengths worth. Let it settle for a minute, then you're done. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. That genuinely means something to me. If any part of this routine resonated with you, or if you have a product question, a skin concern, or even just want to share where you are in your skincare journey, leave it in the comments. I read every single one, and if this video helped you, a like really does help more people find it. I post new routines and skincare guides every week, so if you want to be here for the next one, you know what to do. Take care of your skin tonight, and I'll see you in the next one.